Bitcoin fell to its lowest level in 16 months on Thursday, leading a rush out of risk assets such as tech stocks, while the collapse of Terra USD, a so-called stablecoin, underscored the strain on cryptocurrency markets. Stablecoins are digital tokens pegged to the value of traditional assets, such as the US dollar. They are popular as safe havens in times of turmoil in crypto markets. R3 Managing Director and former Chief Operating Officer of the US Commodity Future Trading Commission, Charlie Cooper, says the reality is these instruments make up really a fraction of the economy.
The reason this becomes such a problem, and you actually saw this instance this week, is that when the crypto that is being used, in this case Bitcoin, is being used to backstop this instrument, becomes incredibly volatile and loses a great deal of value in a very short period of time. That means the reserves that are held at the entity issuing the token fall short of what they're supposed to do, and they don't have enough cash to cover the positions that are out in the stablecoin itself. So I think the way to look at it is if you bucket the stablecoins between more traditional and these algorithmic, the more traditional seek to mimic fiat currencies by holding the currencies themselves, whereas these others try to make do based on other instruments that ultimately are inherently far less stable, and therefore the quote-unquote stablecoin itself ends up not being what it's promised.
Cryptocurrencies overall have lost nearly $800 billion in market value in the past month, according to data site CoinMarketCap, as investors fret about tightening monetary policy. Compared with the Fed's last tightening cycle, which began in 2016, crypto is a much bigger market, raising concerns about its interconnectivity with the rest of the financial system. While the overall crypto market is relatively small, the US Federal Reserve, Treasury Department and the International Financial Stability Board have flagged stablecoins, digital tokens, pegged to the value of traditional assets, as a potential threat to financial stability.